In this video, I'll show you how to download Google Chrome on laptop Windows 11. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first thing is just go to your search bar and type here Edge just like this. Then Microsoft Edge will appear. So we just need to open it up, and right here we just need to search google.com/Chrome. Then just hit enter. Once you do that, this page will appear. So we just need to click on download Chrome. So what it will do, it will just download a setup file of Chrome in your PC. Once the download is done, you can just check it in the three dots which you can see at the top right hand corner. Then go to downloads. So yeah, this is the setup file which we have downloaded. So just open it up, and once you open it, just click on yes. So just for some reason, if you don't find this file, you can just access it in your download folder, and from there you can also open this file. And as you know, as I click on Chrome setup file, it is started to downloading the Chrome in my PC. So what it will do, it will just download and install the Chrome in your PC, and once the installation done, this window will pop up. So this is from Google Chrome. So we have to set the Google Chrome now. So now let me close the Microsoft Edge. This is the Google Chrome. We just need to click on don't sign in. If you want to sign it right now, you can just go ahead, but for now I'm just going to click on don't sign in, then click on got it. So yeah, this is the basic setup which you can do by yourself as well. So once your setup done, you can see the Google Chrome has installed in our PC. Now if I was a big help, you can just repay me by subscribing my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.